pause. Yeah, little shorty, yeah, she too short.
Everybody over there. That's that spot right there. You know what I'm saying? That's why I love coming back home. Right here on Story Road. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Tacos. Look at that. These motherfuckers are off the hook. Hold on, I'm gonna show you how you really eat these motherfuckers. Squeeze a little bit. It's the Eastside San Jose, baby. I ain't got that shit in Texas, man. You gotta get those Eastside San Jose tacos, man. Right off Story. If you haven't fucked with them yet, fuck them motherfuckers are good. I'm gonna be back. I got 4 of them. I'm gonna be back a little bit later on. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Aye!